So what we have here is the Best Mule roll pin removal kit, and it comes with a hammer that has a brass end on it, and they're all removable. Alright, you got brass, you've got steel, and then inside this kit here you have your nylon one, and then you also have a rubber one as well, which is right here. I'll pull that out for you guys. See that? Nice little rubber one there. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate on my Pew Pew right here. You also have a punch block with magnetic pin or roll pin holder. So we're going to select the appropriate size steel punch. I'm going to go ahead and pick one for the roll pin. We got quite a bit of dust inside of here. So we've got the roll pin. It's the wrong size. Let's go a little smaller than that. Looks like a 1/16. Pull this out. There we go. All of this is made out of heavy duty carbon steel. Trying to get that to focus there for you. Alright. That's the right pin. Now I'm going to take this block and just set it anywhere there's a hole so that you can push the roll pin through. And we're going to make sure that we do this without damaging. Actually, I can go just a little bit bigger on this one. I don't want to get it to get stuck inside the roll pin, so make sure you find one that's covers the outside of the pin too. So that's still a little too small there. There we go. That's good. There's quite a bit of rust in here. I'm going to have to take my time with this. There we go. Now it's coming out. Here's the roll pin. It's coming out. Put it over that hole there. Look at that, guys. That's next level cleaning of your firearm right there. Just take all your pins out and clean everything. Alright. There we go. I just pulled one of these pins out. And of course, because the block has a magnetic pin holder, you just put the appropriate sized pin or into the appropriate hole here. Which one would it be? That'll work. Alright. Now we can pull this out. This holds it in place temporarily, so you might want to make sure that you put your thumb over whatever the part is that you're trying to make sure it doesn't sling out. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and remove these other pins. One here. That's a pretty big roll pin right there. Now I'm going to remove the other roll pin that's right here. I'm going to try to take all these guts out. And basically what's happening is if I press this magazine release too hard, it's going to pop the spring out, and then I have to fight with trying to get it back in place inside of there. It's kind of hard to see, but this spring pops out right there, so I'm going to try to see if I can fix it. Let's try one of these. That'd be good. This is how I like to clean my firearms. I want to make sure that I get absolutely everything. Pull that through carefully. Now we can go ahead and actually remove the entire mechanism here. Look how much dirt in there. Look how much dirt is on the mechanism. So this kit is going to definitely allow you to get into all that. But you should always be cleaning all of your firearms exactly like this. Everything apart and do it properly. Now I have plenty to do here. Look at that. See all that? Just spray some cleaner down in there and get all that out. Well, and there you have it, guys. That's how you use the roll pin kit. I just kind of want to do a little demonstration. But hopefully this helps somebody. But if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link on that little orange cart down below or in the comments section. Thank you guys for watching. As always, follow and like for some more content like this.